Welcome back to our online tutorial. Today we have a simple problem on basic trigonometry. Let's take a look at it. We are given that sin x is 4 on 5. We are asked to evaluate 1 plus cot square x divided by cosec square x minus 1. Now I have a right angle triangle here. So from the acronym SOHCAHTOA, I can actually fit in the sine of angle x, which is 4 over 5, into this triangle. And from so, which implies that sine is equals opposite over hypotenuse. So I can write here 4 and here 5. So this means the side facing the given angle in the right angle triangle is the opposite side. Then, as you can see in the triangle, the adjacent side is missing. So you can see that we have to use Pythagoras' theorem to calculate this side y. So from Pythagoras' theorem, y squared is 5 squared minus 4 squared. Now, 5 squared is 25, 4 squared is 16. So that will give us 9. So y is square root of 9, which is 3. So it means that the adjacent side is actually 3 units. Now to define the other trig ratios, from the right triangle here, tan x is equal to 12, opposite over adjacent, which is 4 on 3. Then again, cos x is tan, cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. That will be 3 over 5. Meanwhile, in this problem, we also need the inverse trig ratio. So we have cot and cosec. And the cotangent of an angle, which is abbreviated cot x, is 1 over tan x. So if you take the inverse of the tan, that becomes 3 over 4. Now here we need the cosec. Cosec is 1 over sin x. So cosec x equal to 1 over sin x. That will be 1 over 4 5. 1 divided by 4 over 5, which becomes 5 over 4. If your math is already strong, no need to be writing this. You take the inverse of a fraction, the fraction will tumble. Now with this, we can evaluate this expression that we are given on the board. So if I take this off, we are home and dry. Now that we know the value of cot x, which is 3 over 4, we know the value of cosec x, which is 5 over 4, we can therefore evaluate 1 plus cot squared x over cosec square x minus 1 to be 1 plus cot x is 3 over 4, which is 3 over 4 all squared divided by cosec x, as you can see, is 5 over 4. That will be 5 over 4 all squared minus 1. So what we have here is a simple fraction. So 1 plus, if you square 3 on 4, that becomes 9 on 16. All divided by, if you square 5 on 4, that becomes 25 all over 16 minus 1 all over 1. So what we have here is a simple fraction. So it is needless to be looking for LCM. So we can use the butterfly method to take care of this. Now 16 times 1 is 16. 1 times 9 is 9, divided by 1 times 16, which is 16. Divided by, I don't want to write this by again. I want to convert it to division. Here, the same method, butterfly. 1 times 25 is 25. 16 times 1 is 16. Then 16 times 1 at the denominator is also 16. So as you can see here, 16 plus 9 is 25 on 16 divided by 9 on 16. So as you can see, if we convert this division to multiplication, we have 25 on 16 times 16 all over 9. So we reciprocate this second fraction. So as you can see, 16 can cancel out. What is left is 25 on 9. So this is the final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Please continue to support us by liking, sharing, and commenting on our videos. See you next time.